Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure VLC is installed and current. If not, install it now. Once done, open Settings or Control Panel and go straight to Default Apps or File Associations. You're looking for video and audio defaults and specific file extensions like MP4 and MP3. This step ensures you change targets precisely rather than guessing. Make sure you have admin rights if prompted, because some systems require permission to change global defaults. Now you'll assign VLC to the specific file types and protocols. Click a file extension such as MP4, then choose Change and pick VLC. If VLC isn't listed, choose another app and browse to the VLC executable. Once VLC is set for one type, repeat for common audio and video extensions and for protocol handlers like MMS or RTSB. Doing these ensures links and streams open in VLC, not the previous player. It centralizes playback behavior. Finish by testing. Open a variety of media files and a streaming link to confirm VLC launches consistently. If something still opens in the old player, restart your computer and recheck the default app settings. Sometimes the OS caches associations. Reinstall VLC if the app doesn't appear as an option. As a quick fix, right-click a file, choose Open With, pick VLC and tick Always Use this app. This forces the association and resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.